With a seatbelt grip, I want to make sure that I keep my elbows pinched down close to my body, and I'm protecting my neck from the choking arm. So my hands go on his hands. Both of my hands cover both of his, and I pull everything as far away from my neck as I can, keeping that trapped with my elbow position. Now it's a fight for my head, my shoulders, and my hips to get out. So I need my head to get to the mat on this side away from the choking arm. So my head fight is going to be to get my head past his head. So I use my foot, I drive everything over to the side, and I get my head on the other side of his head, pinned to the mat, driving with my foot to make sure it's stuck, so if he tries to pull me over, I'm really heavy on this side. Once my head is there, my shoulders will begin to turn, my hips will begin to turn. Okay, so now I've got head, shoulders, and hips starting to move and face up towards the ceiling. Now my leg is going to trap this bottom leg, so my foot comes out and I trap his leg. So he can't get that hook back. Then, as I start to escape, I'm going to keep control of that choking arm, and my elbow on the same side of his body is going to come down to block him from being able to get to the mat. So as I hip out, my elbow frames on his hip. And then now I can either start coming up to the mat or side control position, or I can begin to go into my own attack off of the leg. Okay, again. Hold everything down and away. Head fight, driving onto the mat. Shoulders, hips. Clearing that bottom hook, step over and make sure that blocks it. Now as I go, my hand will start to hip out and I will block his hips from coming over. If I can, I'll just get up. If he's desperate to come over the top, I'll capture his leg and trap it.